Hey everybody! In today's video, we will be showing you how to make your own decals in Roblox, whether it is for games, clothes, or walls. So let's just get started. So we can go over and go to roblox.com. For that, head over to your browser and go to roblox.com and sign in into your account if you're not signed in. And you need to prepare your image. If you do not have an image, you can just go ahead and do so. Make sure it is appropriate and follows the Roblox community guidelines. After you reach over here, what you need to do is look out for the creator dashboard. Click on this option called create. And once you click on it, here it will open up this page right here. And there you'll be finding different options available. So what we need to do is go to the option of creations here, select it up. And under creations here, you will be finding different options available. You can look out for the option of development items here and click on it. And this page opens up right here. Now select the option of decals from here. And this opens up this page where we can start creating our decal. So you can start the process by clicking on this option right here called upload asset. So select it up. And once you select it up, you can select the asset type as decal. And from here, what you can do is you can start by uploading up an image first. Click on this upload option. After that, you can just go over and select up an image. I'm just going to go ahead and choose one, for example, this right here, and click on open, and you can add it up. After that, you can name your decal as well. I'm just going to go ahead and type in decals for the name. And you can even add up a description for yourself. After you do so, you just need to select this option for upload and wait for it to appear. And Roblox will automatically review your image once it is approved, and it should be showing up in your inventory right here. And that is it. So you can just go over and use it in Roblox Studio, insert it in a part like a wall or floor. And that is how you go ahead and make decals in your Roblox. So if this video helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.